In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use survey base in your workspace, built from a reliable template, and you'll know exactly what to expect at each click. Start by heading to airtable.com in your browser and signing in so you land on your home screen. From there, look to the left sidebar and select Templates and Apps. This opens Airtable's gallery of pre-built solutions. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge to expand it, then choose Templates and Apps. This section is designed to save you time by giving you structures that are already thought through, with fields, views, and example records you can adapt instead of building everything from scratch. Inside the gallery, take a moment to browse by category. You'll see areas like marketing, operations, and product, which can help you quickly narrow in on use cases related to surveys and feedback. Browsing is a great way to get inspiration if you're not sure which approach you want yet, and it helps you see how different teams structure similar workflows. When you're ready, use the search bar at the top and type survey. This instantly filters the results to survey-focused templates. You may notice several options that gather feedback, run polls, or manage responses. The names can vary, but they're all designed to capture data through a form and organize results in tables you can filter and analyze. Click the survey template that best matches your goal to open its detail page. Here you can preview what's included: typical fields for questions and responses, example views like a form view for collecting answers and a grid view for analysis, and sometimes automations or apps that enhance reporting. Skim the descriptions so you know how the template is structured and what you might customize later, such as question types, single select options, or response tagging. When you're confident it fits, click. Try this template. Airtable will prompt you to choose the workspace where the new base will live, and then it will add a copy to your account. After it opens, expect to see sample records and at least one form view already configured. That form is what you'll share to collect responses. The tables behind it hold the data you receive. Before you send anything out, review the sample content, rename the base so your team recognizes it, and scan the fields to ensure they match the information you want to collect. Small adjustments now, like clarifying question labels or reordering fields, make the final survey much clearer for participants and easier to analyze for you. And that's it. You've created your survey in Airtable using a template, setting yourself up with a solid structure in just a few clicks.